this much left over of the board. So to minimize having to cut big speeds, small speeds, we noticed that the pattern we can kind of cheat it. And so it was in that cheating pattern that we did in the middle of the hallway, right? That when we came out the other side, we ended up flip-flopping our medium to small. So that was it, and then we followed that. And then every once in a while I end up messing it up because I'm not, it's really hard to lose that attention to detail. Every single one. Which one am I facing? If you're coming back every other day or every other month, every couple of weeks, you're like, you got it wasn't last year's rain.
I like that the fact that
better.
put a lot of bathrooms out. A lot of porta potties. That's a lot of
Yeah, last time we were here it was pretty.
That's a lot of porta potties. Wow, is that what it is? That's right. Usually you can see right here, you can see right through and see the mountains. Right through the middle
at the point.
At the point, marina. You can see right through the hole there and see those mountains right back there. Somewhere they pop up. Now there's cloud.
Right where that big car is, I think that's where the photography spot was. What did they hit last time?
Water and mountains. Very nice. And snow. A lot of snow up there.
Harder to stabilize. That'd be a nice addition. The stabilizer.
Little rock path, take you down to the water, but I really wanted to show you guys this cool, awesome cave. Comes in, you come in through this cave. And it's just awesome chasms. Come over here. Little holes that go all the way out. Come over here, Dad. It goes down more.
And there's a good spot.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Over here.
I'm just videoing. One by the lake. Shaver?
Yeah. Because rock climbers don't make trails.
That's true. These are more.
They don't want hikers.
Trails. Hikers make trails. Cool little
Cave?
Yeah, I thought that was really cool, so I started recording and I was like, oh shit. Cool. Because right here is where I was recording. We were up there and I was like, how do I get down here?
Yeah.
And then you guys got down here, I'm like, I bet you there's a way to get over there.
I mean, it's not bad right here. You just can't go out far. You don't go out far. You stay within over here to get out here. Get people get on these rocks, slide down. It's too dangerous right
No, that's too much.
Right.
Go in! Go in!
Going on a hike today with my brother and my dad. So we're out at 3 Rivers, going on our hikes. Going to the river. There's Pops. We've stopped at the
Pictures of
the bridge. There's Daddy-O. I'm recording.
Okay. Once in a while, double check. Make sure it's still strapped there. Better yet, hold on to it. Put it in the bag. Don't let it go around. Don't let it just say goodbye, $500. Just get this is the $500 and then we'll just goodbye. We'll just be it's just a story you tell. Put it on the rock with a sign. Did you guys leave it there? Just crossed that fallen down tree bridge. I'm on the Lewis S. Clark Trail, I think. Normally there's a little handy hiking bridge. It's nicely built. Looks like they remove it during the spring season because of the high water. But up there, they said the bridge was out and it looks like someone either custom made this to cross or was there before. I never really paid attention all the other times I've been here, but looks like someone set up a little line across and people have been crossing it, so didn't get a drop on me. Nice.
This wasn't like this last year. Here's the second bridge. And it looks like a tree fell down. Right smack dab in the middle. Nice. Landslide. Let's see the little trail. Air gap to there. All that is now down there, along with the tree. Nice and calm right here. Water feels. Is he cold? Oh yeah.